dear students. Welcome to the second session of English Tutorial Online with me, Dr. Risa Mufliharsi, MPD, as your tutor. This week, you are going to learn about things in the office. Besides, there are many things that you have learned, such as basic writing mechanics and descriptive paragraphs. You can find this week's topics in Module 2. Which consists of 2 learning activities. So by the end of the week, you're expected to be able to identify vocabulary which related to things around the office, write a simple descriptive paragraph, which is describing a place in English, and implement the basic writing mechanics. So please study the material and enrichment on the links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum too. Good luck, class.